Multiple mechanisms exist in our bodies to eliminate toxic wastes. However, you may experience complications like high creatinine levels when the mechanisms fail. Such complications may cause serious health risks. If you are wondering what the optimum creatinine levels are and why they should be balanced, this video may help clear your doubts. The causes of high creatinine levels, symptoms, risk factors, and treatment options. Creatinine is a metabolic product of creatine and a byproduct of muscle metabolism. Creatine is a significant molecule that helps in the production of energy and improves exercise performance. About 2% of your body's creatine is converted to creatinine and transported to your kidneys via the bloodstream. Your kidneys filter out most of the creatinine and eliminate it from your body through urine. Low urine creatinine levels may be an indication of high blood creatinine, and it could be a cause for concern in some cases. The following chart discusses the normal and abnormal ranges of creatinine levels according to one's age, gender, muscle mass, etc. Normal creatinine levels. The creatinine levels in your body are usually dependent on your muscle mass, gender, age, and other health factors. They are often measured in milligrams per deciliter. Older people have lower creatinine levels than normal adults, and bodybuilders may have higher creatinine levels than most adults. This is because older individuals have diminished muscles while bodybuilders have more muscles as compared to most normal individuals. Also, individuals with any muscle-related disorders may have significantly lower creatinine levels. How to lower creatinine levels naturally. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Kidney stone formation may slightly elevate serum creatinine levels. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may lower the risk of kidney stone formation. Its antimicrobial properties may help ward off bacterial infections and may prevent your blood creatinine levels from increasing. But, scientific research is lacking in this aspect. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water and mix well. Add some honey to this solution. Drink this solution once daily, preferably with a high carbohydrate diet. 2. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a rich source of various minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Anecdotal evidence suggests that it may act as a natural diuretic, improves blood circulation, and tonifies your kidneys to help lower your blood creatinine levels naturally. Drink half a cup of bitter gourd juice once daily. Caution: do not consume bitter gourd or its juice in excess. A study on mice has shown that 4,000 mg/kg is the tolerable range. Any dose exceeding this is nephrotoxic. However, human studies are to be conducted in this regard. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is thought to be a natural diuretic. Some believe it may also improve the kidney's filtration abilities, though more research is warranted to understand this. But cinnamon does regulate the body's creatinine levels. Mix half a tablespoon of cinnamon in warm water or food and consume once a day. 4. Chamomile tea. Ingestion of chamomile tea may lower high creatinine levels. Add chamomile herb to a cup of hot water. Allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes. Strain and add a little honey. You can have chamomile tea 3 to 4 times daily. 5. Green tea. Green tea is a natural antioxidant and has diuretic properties. The diuretic nature of green tea may help improve the filtration ability of your kidneys and increases urine output, thereby lowering creatinine levels. Steep a green tea bag in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. Allow it to cool for a while and add some honey. You can drink green tea 2 to 3 times daily. 6. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antioxidant and also acts as a diuretic. It helps flush out toxic waste from your body and may help lower blood creatinine levels. Garlic also increases the levels of plasma iron and improves hemoglobin levels. You can chew 4 to 5 garlic cloves, or you can add minced garlic to your salads and other foods. You must do this 1 to 2 times daily. 7. Ginger. Ginger contains flavonoids and ethanol that exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect your kidneys from damage and injury and lower the creatinine levels in your body. Add an inch of ginger to a cup of hot water and allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes. Add a little honey and consume immediately. You can drink this ginger tea thrice daily for optimum benefits. 8. Cranberry juice. Cranberries contain quinic acid that protects your kidneys from the stone formation. Drink a medium cup of cranberry juice once a day. 9. Coconut water. Tender coconut water is a rich source of vitamin C that can lower your creatinine levels and keep your kidneys healthy and stone-free. Have a glass of tender coconut water once a day. Caution: avoid consuming more than 1 glass of coconut water in a day. Anecdotal evidence suggests that it may affect your kidneys. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil exhibits anti-urolithic activities that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. It may also reduce creatinine levels in the blood. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to your salad or pasta once daily.